Hey, it's Joseph, and today I'm gonna talk you through this rig that I've put together based on a Zoom F3, and this thing will never run out of battery, pretty much can't run out of memory, but more importantly, will not run out of battery for any amount of recording time that you'll do in a day, and it clamps right onto a boom pole, hangs down, helps keep the boom pole steady. So if you wanna record 32-bit float audio all day, every day, this is the rig for you. Let's break it down. We've got a few different components going on here, and at the core of it, we have the Zoom F3 audio recorder. It takes two AA batteries, and I've got two AA batteries in there right now, and those are really just gonna be my backup power. The primary power source is going to be this big fat battery down here, but this is a SmallRig NPF 970. This is attached to an adapter plate, and all this adapter plate is doing is holding the battery and mounting to the Zoom, and there's a little cheese plate in the middle. Again, SmallRig product, I'll put in the description below. Not sponsored by SmallRig, just like their stuff. And with this mounted to the Zoom F3, I can run this very conveniently short little KONDOR blue 6-inch USB-C cable. It's a right angle on this side, it's straight on this side. I'll put a link in the description. It's the perfect little cable if you're gonna build this rig. And because this little cheese plate, which is meant for the Zoom F3, has holes to mount stuff to the side of it, the broad side of it being this side, it also has little holes to mount stuff on the short sides. And that is exactly how I have this field monitor mount that has an ARRI locating pin screwed straight into the side of that cheese plate. And with that screwed into the side of the cheese plate, the locating pin makes it so that this doesn't rotate on me. Just like you don't want your field monitor rotating, you don't want this whole rig rotating, especially when it's hanging from a boom pole on a clamp. And the whole situation with this clamp is that it's a SmallRig, again, super clamp. And the SmallRig super clamp has some 1/4-20 holes, and it's got some larger holes that have ARRI locating pins, which is exactly how I have this tiny little NATO rail hooked up. And this NATO rail is a lot like what you might put on the top of your camera rig, except I have it screwed directly into the super clamp. So this is even more modular. I don't even have to unscrew the clamp. I don't have to unclamp it from the boom pole. I can just pop this whole thing off if I want to, nice and modular at the sort of whole rig level. And then again, nice and modular at the battery or power source level, because the battery can just pop out. There's like a little release on this plate. Again, I'll put a link in the description below. So these batteries, you probably won't even be able to get through one in a day. But if you do, or if you're afraid you will, you can have two of them. And when you pop this off, the Zoom will switch to its internal batteries. When you pop another one on, it'll resume the power output / input through USB-C, and it'll automatically switch over from those internal AA's to that external power source. And this is a massive external power source for something like this. This sips power, really, compared to a camera or a field monitor. This really doesn't chug power very quickly at all. So this thing is gonna last you all darn day. And when this thing is clamped onto a boom pole, the weight of this hanging down kind of counterbalances the mic that's on the other end, and it makes it feel really nice in the hand. And I'm actually shooting on a boom pole right now. It's fixed, it's mounted to a little C-stand, but that boom pole has a Sennheiser MKE600 on it. And just as that mic works great for talking head footage like this, it's also great for shooting an interview or talking head on location. So this is where we go on location. Here, when I'm sitting at my computer, I've got that XLR coming down here to an Audient ID14, which is hooked directly up to the computer. So I'm feeding through the computer on the camera, on the audio, everything, and it's coming together here in OBS, which is what I'm using to record on the computer. If you want a video about that, I could definitely do a video about that. In fact, I could dedicate a video to the camera setup. I could dedicate a video to the audio setup and how that's all coming into OBS. So let me know what you want to see first. And that's it. If you like this video, if you think it should be easier for other people to find, hit the like button. If you want more content that's coming soon from me, hit subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below, and I'll keep it coming.